Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create this easy 3-tier black wedding cake. Going in with some chocolate buttercream on a 5-inch cake. This is sitting on a 5-inch cake board if you can see the bottom there. I'm creating a thin crumb coat around the whole cake to trap in any crumbs. And then I'm smoothing it off with a bench scraper and my spatula. I've done the same thing to a 7-inch cake and a 9-inch cake as well. Now I'm going in with a final layer of frosting. This is black buttercream that I've actually tinted with cocoa powder first to make it nice and dark. And then I added in gel black food color, a whole lot of it to make it this shade. Go around with your bench scraper, make it nice and smooth. And then go in with your spatula at the very top to bring in that extra bit of frosting. Do the same thing to all 3 cakes that you have. And I'm just filling in some spots here that were empty. And pop them all into the fridge to set for at least a good 8 hours overnight if you can, because we are going to be touching these. Alternatively, you can pop them into the freezer even for just 20 minutes. Adding dowels into my middle and my bottom tier to support the weight of the top cakes. I would use a lot more than 3 dowels for the bottom cake, but I kind of ran out at this point. Now that they've all been stacked, I have some edible luster dust by Creative Cake Decorating. This is champagne gold, and I've added in some vodka. If you can't use vodka, you could also use distilled white vinegar or lemon extract or lemon juice as well. And then take my brush and I'm literally just slapping the paint all over the cake. There is no right or wrong way to do this. For more delicate or thinner effects, what I would do is tap the brush with your hand, and that creates those really tiny little raindrop splotches, kind of like the micro splotches. And it makes it look a lot more elegant when you have those wee little spots on there as well. Adding in my decorations, you could do macarons. Here I've added in some red roses. I found that the colour contrasted really nicely. And these are just from the $2 shop. You can wrap the stem in Glad Wrap before you pop it into the cake to make it food safe. And that is how you make probably the easiest 3-tier engagement or wedding cake in the world. Once you buttercream your cakes and you stack it all together, the most therapeutic part about this is just splashing the colour onto the cake. I recommend doing a black buttercream or something incredibly dark so the gold really stands out. Alternatively, you could do it all white and then have the splashes in colour instead. They do sell edible luster dust and metallics in blues and pinks and stuff, so that'll look really nice too. And that's the tutorial for this Tuesday. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I hope you give it a try, and I'll see you again next week for another cake decorating tutorial. And that's the tutorial for this Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved making it, and I will catch you again next week. Thanks for watching.